You know I was supposed to go for Jimmy's wedding, but I can't. My doctor advised me to not travel.
I hope it's nothing serious, because you were really excited to come earlier. What is it exactly?
Just the usual suspect. Malaria, low blood sugar.
Oh my god.
The doctor put me on bed rest.
You know, it could be that you're pregnant too.
No, I'm not pregnant. If I was pregnant, I would know this. It's just no more stress from work. Okay, I will. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. That was Jenny. She says hi.
Yeah. You're really not going?
Oh,
I
no.
thought your bags were packed and ready to go.
No, I'm not going. I am not feeling too well. Plus, Auntie Rosa is going to be there. I am not trying to go through her problems. You know she's the #1 womb watcher. I don't want her questions.
Well, why don't we give this womb watcher something to talk about? Let's put a baby in here.
You have to go to work.
That I do.
Chop chop. Work
I will
time.
see you later.
Be safe. I love you.
I love you.
Bye. Hello, Priscilla. Has the new items arrived? Oh, what time?
That was
Quick.
invigorating. Honey? 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 Hey, babes.
Hey.
You okay?
Yes, you want something?
No, I'm leaving. I'm going to work.
Oh, okay. Have a great day.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. One, two, three, four, five. This should be 6. There's one sold yesterday as well. Oh, great, that's good. Where is the black? Oh, this is already sold out. Oh, wow.
Hello, people.
Oh, keep this spinning.
Who is in this beautiful boutique? Mwah. Thank you. How are you doing, darling?
Great.
Wow. Your shop looks bigger. Did you expand?
It was Ray. He woke up last month with an epiphany to just invest in my boutique.
Wow.
I didn't even ask.
That's glorious. I need me a man that would wake up one morning without any reason to expand your boutique. What?
So, you're shopping today now.
Amazing.
Huh?
Yes.
Great. I think this will look absolutely magnificent.
Okay, sure. Please put this all on my tab.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, I'm taking a piece of every item in this store.
Really?
But before then, come, I have this for you. Please do that. Pack that up, alright?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. Yes, you called. Baby girl.
You need to give me the tea, please. Like, how did you catch your husband? You need to let me know so I can go fetch mine.
Just don't give up on love.
Yeah. But what's with that though? It's confusing me.
What?
That fake green, like anytime you're talking about something you don't like or when someone is bugging you, you have that green on.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You're doing it again. I remember when your mom used to bug you to get married, and when you talk about how you used to have that fake green on.
That was my mother.
You're such a terrible liar. How long have we known each other? Long enough to know when my friend's mood is not what it's supposed to be. So tell me, what is bugging you? Is he cheating?
What? God, no. Of course not.
Okay.
My husband is very responsible.
Okay, so is he pressuring you to have kids?
No, and stop. Okay, I'm not going to talk about my husband.
Is it the sex?
What? No, stop. Okay, that's enough. We're not going to talk about my husband. That's it. End of discussion.
Yeah, that's it. You are ashamed of it. Because if it were others, you would start spilling. So, babes, what is the...
Okay, can you stop? There's nothing to spill.
Oh my goodness. Is it that bad?
Okay, can you stop? Stop. Now, I'm not talking about this. I'm not talking about my husband with you.
Does he know that you are unsatisfied?
Can you stop? Please. Just stop.
Okay, so I'm sure he knows because that's why he keeps showering you with money and, you know, giving you gifts and all. He's trying to compensate you, right?
What is wrong with you? Why do you enjoy me regretting telling you anything?
Babes, take it easy. I'm just thinking out loud, okay? Just...
Oh, hello, honey.
Hello, my beautiful.
How are you, babe? How was work?
Work was good. Tasking, but okay.
Okay.
And how was work for you?
It was fine. Sales are slow. Sales are extremely slow. I don't know if it's because the mall is new. We don't have as much walk-ins. So now we're trying to work on our online presence.
Well, it's a good thing that Williams is coming then.
Williams?
Yeah, my cousin. My Uncle Philip's son. He just got a job as a marketing strategist for an oil company. He might be able to help you with a few marketing tips that will help you actually ace out your competition.
You didn't tell me your cousin or your uncle's, I don't know, you didn't tell me he was coming.
I did.
You only mentioned he was coming. You didn't say he was coming to live here.
This is Jerry. Listen, I just wanted to help him out. I mean, he hasn't had a job for about a year. Man, it's a big house. But if you don't want him to come, that's fine. I'll ask him not to bother.
It's fine.
Look, I've got to take this. I will be in a conference call.
What about dinner?
I think I'll pass on that. But, hello, Jerry. How are you? Yes, give me the numbers.
Babe,
Yeah.
it's late.
All
Okay, well, I'm going to bed.
right, sleep tight.
Right. At least try not to stay up too late.
Yeah.
Good night. You said Frederick is what now?
I don't talk about that fool, please.
Oh, no, babes. You cannot bring up such huge subject as 4 kids and not expect that I'll dig deep.
Listen, he's currently expecting baby number 5.
Oh my, I'm sorry.
My life is currently a freak show. At this point, Netflix can just come and turn my life into a reality show and they would sell.
Wait, how did you even find out? How did you discover all this?
Last week, I was just too ashamed to talk about it. This is why I hate men, you know.
But you keep dating them.
Do I have a choice? Gosh, men are such dangerous species and very extremely manipulative.
No, not all men. Not Ray. My Ray is different.
My darling, that is because he's the one with the problem.
Listen, I know you're dealing with whatever heartbreak, but don't talk nonsense, alright?
Alright. Take for instance here, just think about it for a few seconds. If the roles were reversed, do you think he would not be looking for it elsewhere?
He wouldn't.
Listen, Maggie, men are scumbags, okay? They don't have your time. If you can't give them what they want, trust me, there are 12 other women lining up to give it to them easily.
Well, Ray would never. He would never cheat on me.
Anyways, I don't fault them, okay? Because there is no harm in, having a little bit of joy in your life.
Excuse me?
Listen, all I'm trying to say is if you want some, get some. No man will think twice. Ask Frederick.
Hey, babes. What's for dinner?
I was thinking we do something different tonight.
What are you doing? Babes, one sec. Dave. Babes, what are you doing? That was Dave's from legal. He's finalizing the terms for a merger, you know? Shh.
Babe, you're home. Be home.
Babes, I'm trying. Babe. Listen. There is a meeting going on in Abuja and they need my input.
Killing my vibe.
I know, and I'm so sorry. But all this, just hang on to it. I'll just make this phone call and then I'll come back, okay? All right, baby. Okay. All right. Davis, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, give me this.
Babe.
Oh. Dave was supposed to get back to me. I must have done stuff. Supposed to get back to me some figures. Oh. Oh, he did get back to me actually. Okay. That works. 12 people right there.
Hi. Hello, I'm so sorry. My husband said we were waiting outside.
Hi, good evening.
Traffic was crazy. I'm sorry. I
It's
hope I didn't
okay.
keep you waiting too long.
No. it's
Sure?
fine.
Okay, please. Come in. So sorry. Usually
it's
come home
fine.
earlier than this.
Babe. You know my cousin here, he's a marketing strategist.
Oh yeah, you mentioned.
I was wondering if he could actually help you, with your online presence.
Can you?
Yes, I can.
Oh, okay.
What do you do?
I run a boutique. And right now we're having a slight issue on our walk-ins. So we're hoping we could get some online presence.
Okay, I'll figure something out.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good.
And if there's anything you need to bring anybody on board, don't worry, I'll be happy to pay for that.
Of course.
Thanks, honey.
Thank you.
Hey, honey.
Hey!
Your favorite team is playing. Why are you here?
I'm just responding to a few clients' messages.
Babe, they're leading by 2.
I'll be down in a minute.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So, congratulations on being my top 2. I must say your CVs are quite impressive. But just so that you know, you're under probation. Your performances will determine whether you will remain in this company. Impress me. Bring in clients, bring in numbers, and you will get a stamp on your appointment letter. Failure to do so, you'll be out of here. Capish?
Understood.
That's it now.
Excuse me, ma.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt. But why do this first?
Oh, okay. Tell them I'll be with them shortly. So congratulations once again and welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hi. Please, can I get a cab or an Okada from here, or am I just wasting my time standing here?
So you really don't remember me?
Huh?
William Sachibi. You lived 2 houses away from us. You went to the same secondary school with my elder brother, Philip.
Wait, you're Philip's baby sister?
No, I'm his younger sister. We have a baby sister, Sarah. Definitely know me.
Oh, okay, I remember. You're the silly one that locked him outside because he ate your snacks.
My goodness. Okay, it was a long time ago. Hey, what are you doing in my office? You work for my intrepid boss. But I thought you were living in Abuja.
Well, unemployment has a way of driving you out of town.
You're right.
How have you been?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm good. Thank you. It's good to see you. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Miss Elizabeth likes putting a little heat on her new employees. It's a thing she calls hitting the ground running.
So her threat is real if I don't deliver.
She'll ask you out of the company immediately. So it's best you put in your best and impress her quickly. So she will remove your name from the waiting list. This is me.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
No, he's my cub man.
I know. It will be my pleasure. By the way, how is your brother?
The dude is enjoying himself in London, leaving us here to rot under Nigeria sun. Yeah. Have a good day.
And you too. Take care.
morning.
Hey.
Welcome. You back?
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening. Waiting for you, actually.
Yeah, traffic was intense.
Okay. I was hoping you'd join my wife and I for a night out. Give you a chance to see town.
Right. But maybe not tonight. I'm really tired.
Nice, fine.
Honey,
Hey.
I'm ready.
All right.
Hi, Williams.
Good evening.
Hi.
Look at you. Damn.
See you.
Yeah, see you.
Can this thing just Come on. What's happening?
Hey,
Hey.
is everything all right?
I don't even know. It's my website. I've been trying to log in for so long. The crazy guy says he's done it, but it's not working.
Is your password correct?
Yeah, I mean, I log into my husband's laptop all the time. Finally trying to log into mine, and it's just... Oh, damn it. His number is not even going through.
You mind if I have a look?
Are you sure? Aren't you going to be late for work?
I have time.
Please.
Okay, do you have the password?
Okay, this is you.
Yeah. Thank you for the ride.
Oh, it's nothing. I was just returning your favor.
Sure. If you have any problem, call me.
Oh, yes, of course. I will. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Guy, if this thing now happens, we drove woman. Guy, rest. See, she's like family.
Family.
Okay, move on.
Family. You.
Babe? Babe? Baby. Already? Oh, good night.
Hi. I thought you guys would be asleep by now.
Oh, yes.
I'm sorry about this. It won't happen again.
Oh, no, it's fine. I should have been asleep. It's okay.
Good night.
Good night.
So what will you be doing alone? It's almost midnight.
I don't know why I'm just not sleepy, but I could watch a movie, have a glass of wine, or I could just do a bit of both. It's okay, I'm fine.
Right.
Okay. Hey.
Oh, babe.
Yeah.
Already.
Yes, I'm awake. I got a busy schedule.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, darling. Mm.
Good morning.
Um,
Happy birthday to me.
oh.
You know, lie. Make up something. I would rather you make up something, fake it, than hearing, oh, sorry, I forgot.
Babes, I'm so sorry. I forgot. I promise I will make it up to you.
I refuse to let you or anything or anyone ruin today. So, I was thinking, let's go out. Oh, babe, I want something grand this year compared to last year. I just want to feel special.
Babes, I am traveling to Abuja.
What?
Didn't I mention it to you?
No, you didn't.
I thought I mentioned it to you. One of my partners is coming from America and I've got to have a meeting with him. I'm sorry, I thought I mentioned it.
Call him. Cancel.
Babes, I can't cancel. Come on, he's flying in from America. But I'll fly back in today.
Send your assistant.
Babes, look, I've got to be there. And there are other things I need to sign for when I get there. Like I said, when I come back, I will make it up to you.
It's my birthday.
Come on, tell me what you want. I'll get you anything.
It's not always about money.
Obviously, it's not about money, but I just want to compensate you.
Stay.
Maybe I can't. I've got to go. But I promise I will be back tonight, okay? I will get to the meeting quickly, okay? I love you. And happy birthday. Hey, come here. Happy birthday, sweet. You have a wonderful day. And I will see you when I get back tonight. All right. Happy birthday, darling.
Okay, these are on the racks. Okay. I think that was fine.
Mom, you have a delivery.
Oh. Who is this from? No note?
No, no.
Thank you. Priscilla, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Put this on my desk.
Okay.
Be careful. Okay. Hey.
Work was great.
That's good.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, but I don't remember telling you.
Yeah, I saw your Instagram post this morning.
Oh, you follow me on Instagram?
Yes, I follow you on almost all your social media platforms.
Okay.
Did you like your flowers?
What?
Nothing says happy birthday like a bunch of roses.
Of course. That was you. Thank you.
And now, a little champagne for the birthday girl.
Really?
Yes, really.
Oh.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you. I mean, it would have been perfect if Ray was around.
Oh yeah. Where is he? He's supposed to be back today, right?
Yeah, I thought so too, but he didn't, and his number hasn't been going through.
Are you sure you can handle this? Let's go. Let's make some noise. All right. Okay. Woo! Are you okay? You look rather sad for your birthday.
Drink with me.
He doesn't see me.
I'm like invisible. You know, 3 years is a long time to actually be married to someone that is rarely available. It's a freaking nightmare.
You're not invisible.
Yes, I am.
I see you. You're beautiful. You're breathtaking. Any man will be lucky to have you. I know I will.
Not Ray. Not Ray. I'm lonely. Very lonely. You know, he doesn't even touch me. Stop. I need to go.
You don't have to.
Yes, I know. I have to work. Yeah, I have to work in the morning. Good night. It was fun.
Baby, I am so sorry. Listen, let me make this up to you, okay? What do you want to do? We could go on an instant vacation. You know, one of those that you usually like, you know?
I have to go to work.
Baby, come on, don't be like this now. Like, hey. Look, I know I messed up. I flopped, okay? I just was in a meeting that I got carried away and miscalculated the time and I missed my flight.
Okay. And your phone, it just magically disappeared from your pocket.
I tried to go and reschedule the flight, okay? And then my battery died. I'm sorry.
All I wanted was your presence. We could have watched a stupid movie, drank a bottle of wine, we could have laughed about silly things. You deprived me of that.
We can still do that. Come on. We could sit down, we could do it now. I could get a bottle of wine, you know. We could sit down.
have a very important client I need to get to.
Baby, come on, you could get yourself
Raymond.
to do that.
Raymond, I have to get to work. I have a very important client to meet. So please.
Your sales girl can handle that. Come on.
Raymond, you had to work. And I understood that. I was a big girl about it. Now, I expect you to be a big boy and leave me the heck alone.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe.
You've been very quiet lately.
I just have a lot on my mind.
Wanna share?
I'd rather not.
I didn't see this coming. I mean, I always saw Mike as a jerk, but definitely not a thief. And I think that a lot of people knew and they suspected and they didn't say a word about it. It's really confusing. When Madame found out, she was really pissed and fired almost everyone. You're oddly quiet today.
Yeah. I have a lot on my mind. Hello?
Hey, William. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. My wife's car broke down on her way to work this morning. Could you help me pick it up?
Okay.
I would have done it myself, but I've got a meeting I've got to attend.
All right, I'll handle it. What's the address?
All right, thanks. Appreciate it. Listen, check your message. I sent you a message.
Okay. Driver, please stop me here.
This is your stop?
Yes, I have a quick errand to make.
Happy birthday, girl! Really? Happy birthday.
I told you.
My birthday was a decade ago.
I thought I told you, girl. I traveled last week for a burial and the network there was extremely horrible.
Of course, it was. You know, you and Ray, same people. I don't know how I know you two.
What do you mean, me and Ray? Did Ray ghost you on your special day?
He was stuck in Abuja. Story of my life. Where's my gift?
I told you already now. But I'm here in person.
First, you show up late, and then you show up without a gift.
Oh, hey. I wasn't expecting to see you.
Yeah, your husband sent me to drop off your car. I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
No, not at all. Who's this?
He's my in-law. Isoken Williams.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm busy right now, so just give me a minute.
Of course.
Who is this cutie pie?
for you.
You know they use icy man.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand.
I don't
Is it a
understand.
crime to look and admire?
No gifts.
Please, your darling, please. Don't forget to let me know when you have the collection.
Just remember, you owe me.
And I love you too.
Be safe.
People are handsome.
She can be red like that sometimes. So, why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Question is, why are you avoiding me?
That's ridiculous. I mean, we live in the same house.
You know what I'm talking about.
Okay, you need to stop staring. What's up?
I got you a gift.
You need to stop. Stop buying me gifts. It's unnecessary.
That night, the kiss, did it mean something to you?
No.
Are you sure?
100% sure. You know, you need to take out whatever ideas you have. This charade must stop. Understood? Why are you here? Goodbye. Hey. Don't forget this.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What are you doing here?
I just finished with the spa.
Oh.
I went to get a body massage.
Oh, I just finished a meeting with a friend.
Right.
Yeah.
Where are you heading to?
I'm going to Maggie's.
Maggie's. I'm actually going to Maggie's as well.
Oh.
Her boutique, right?
Yes, Sabatia.
Yeah, sure.
Of course.
Did you drive?
No, I didn't.
I can drop you off if you don't
Sure,
mind.
that's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. Hey you. Hi. Hi, darling.
What are you doing here?
Your husband sent me to pick up the car again to the mechanic.
Oh. How did you two meet?
We met at the mall.
I see.
I don't understand. Why are you? I can't say hello to
Oh,
you.
oh,
What's wrong? Are you okay?
I'm fine. One second.
Okay.
You are glowing.
Thank you. That's the work of the spa.
Please. Anything else?
Yes, that will be all.
All right.
Bye.
Later.
Nice catching up with you.
Of course.
Bye.
ISK, so I've transferred the money to your account. Have you received the alert? ISK, have you received the alert? I've been talking to you and you're not responding. Who are you chatting with?
In my phone, Joe.
Williams. Why are you chatting with my cousin?
Your husband's cousin, you mean?
I asked a question.
Okay, fine. We're just getting to know each other. Besides, the dude is really, really charming.
ISK, listen. Williams is a good guy. He's not a toy.
Okay, so that means he wouldn't break when I start to play with him, right? I'm just joking. Give me my phone. Oh yeah, I've seen your alert. Thank you.
Hey.
Sorry. You're right. I haven't stopped thinking about you. Isokan tells me that you two are going on a date.
Yes, we are. What is?
I'm just wondering when you two got that friendly.
Well, we did. Is there a problem?
No, not exactly. You know, just so you know, Isokan is not that woman that takes any man serious. It's always a thing for her.
Right. And why are you telling me this now? I mean, you haven't spoken to me in days.
But I'm talking to you now.
Interesting. Very interesting.
Late nights. I see.
So what, Maggie? I'm not in kindergarten.
Mrs. Okafor, to you.
Okay, Mrs. Okafor. Why are you getting upset?
Of all the women, you choose my best friend to frolic around with. Really?
Is this about who I'm with? Or are you just being jealous?
Wait. Stop. Ray. My husband. Please, stop.
Honey?
Hey,
Hey.
where you been?
Oh, I'm sorry. Williams came back so drunk, puking all over the place. I had to just be sure he's fine.
Come on, you should know better than that.
He should.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Move that body for me. I make you send
Oh, you do it. Oh.
I mean, you two could have gone on without me. She won't stop talking.
Fine.
You somebody.
William, you have a target of what, 10 million you said? Have you gotten it yet?
No. I only have 3 million.
Okay. Why don't you see me in the office on Monday? Let's see what we can do to, help you out.
Oh, bro.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Babes, do you need anything with your shop?
No, I have everything I need.
You sure?
Yes, babe.
Oh.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Honey, I promise I will be back in just 4 days. And I wish I didn't have to leave you, but Mama would kill me if I don't attend that wedding.
My regards to her, okay?
I got to go, babe.
All right, and be safe, okay?
I need to run.
You be good, safe, be safe, okay?
Hey, beautiful.
Hey.
So, where are we going?
I made a reservation.
Interesting. And how big?
Sorted.
You should have come in when you felt it.
I know, but I was busy. And besides, I called Dr. Naz.
Come on, Ray. Calling Dr. Naz will not help you. You need to come in yourself. And you need to slow down on everything. Have you been doing what I told you? Come on, Ray. Silent heart attack can be very deadly. And you've had like what? 6 in 4 months.
Alright, calm down, I have, okay?
Have you told your wife about it?
What is there to tell? You guys don't even know what's wrong with me.
That's true. We're still running tests. But you need to tell her.
And I will tell her in due time. Right now, I don't think it's necessary.
Let me be the judge of that.
Dr. Naz, I don't feel too good. I don't know. I can't breathe properly. I got a tight chest. Yeah, I took it before I went to sleep. I took it about 2 hours ago. Okay.
Move that body for me. I make you send nobody. How you put it on me? You go kill somebody. I just wonder if you give that body for me. Why can't she wonder? Your body give me something I need. Wonder, 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 wonder. 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 body for me. I make you send nobody. How you put it on me? You go kill somebody. I just wonder if you give that body for me. Why can't she wonder? Your body give me something I need. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, 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 wonder.
Home.
You're back.
Hi, honey.
Hello, darling. How was your trip?
Oh, it was exhausting.
You were supposed to be back about 3 hours ago. What happened?
I had to stop by the store to check things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Let me take your things.
Oh,
out.
no, babe, don't worry. I'll take it. I got it.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Continue what you're doing.
Yeah. Ooh.
What is it? No, why are you not talking to me? We literally just had
What
this time.
is wrong with you?
Why are you so cold?
Can't you tell when someone needs space?
Space?
Yes.
What's going on?
Listen, I feel dirty.
All right? I feel ashamed. In what planet is it okay for a woman to sleep with her husband's cousin? What planet?
I don't understand you. So you want to use and dump me? What am I to you? A sex toy? So I'm someone you just want to use and satisfy your selfish, lustful desires and pretend like I don't exist?
Just stop. For 1 second. Raymond might have a heart condition. I just saw drugs in his drawers. I don't know what it is, but I do not know how I have been so oblivious to something this sensitive. I love my husband very much. So this has to end. Please.
Back.
What drugs are those?
Please? For stress.
Stress.
Yeah. Some multivitamins as well. Yeah.
You might as well just invite her in. Why are you two standing here?
Oh no, I just came to deliver some files to him from our boss. I was on my way out.
Right.
Your cousin's wife is really beautiful.
Yeah. You guys outside.
She's a nice girl. Pretty. Maybe you can ask her out. Date someone in your level. Should be nice.
Why is it that when you see me with another girl, you put up this attitude?
What attitude?
This one. It's written all over you. You suggested that we end things between us, and I understand it.
Because I'm married. I love my husband. You are my husband's cousin. This is wrong.
And what exactly is wrong? Is it the way that I kiss you? Or is it the way that I make love to you? Huh?
Well, I forgot to tell you that the boss wants you to meet with the chief accountant tomorrow. I tried to call you, but Your number wasn't connecting.
It's not what you think, okay?
You don't need to explain yourself to me.
I know. But you saw something, and you're going to think there's something there, but there's really nothing there.
So, you weren't kissing your cousin's wife on the lips?
No. It's just a stupid peck. It's a common tradition, something we do in the family.
Oh.
Dwayne, please, promise not to tell anyone.
I thought you said it was just a peck.
But still, promise you won't tell anyone.
Okay.
This is not good.
She's not going to tell anyone.
You don't know that.
Okay, I'm going to talk to her at the office tomorrow. Okay?
You know this is a sign, right? It's an obvious sign. The odds are no longer in our favor.
Relax.
Can you see?
Relax. It's going to be fine, okay? She won't tell anyone. She won't tell anyone.
What do you think you're doing here?
I wanted to talk to you.
In my room. You need to go, not in my bedroom. No, my husband could come any moment.
Maggie, you get jealous when you see me with other women, but you still act like you don't care. I know this is wrong. And I have tried everything humanly possible to stop thinking about you, but it's not working.
This has to stop. It just has to. It'll kill my husband.
Maggie, I love you. Okay, look me in the eye and tell me that you don't feel anything for me. Right. You sleeping with my cousin under my own roof is not being stupid, it's being calculated. You mean all those times you snuck out of my bed, you were with him, and then you come back and lie to my face? I don't care! Why would you do this to me? I will do anything for you. I'll give my life for you.
I was lonely. You're never available. I was completely miserable.
So now it's my fault. You cheated on me and you have the audacity! You want to get laid so bad you have to get laid with my cousin! My blood!
I don't know what came over me. I was lonely and Williams was here.
Here I am, working my life out to provide for you. And you got lonely!
For a long time, I felt unwanted. It's like you having a wife is a burden. No passion between us. Our sex life is non-existent. I've just been miserable.
You want to get laid so badly, right? You want passion, right?
What are you doing?
I will give you passion. I will give you.
What's wrong with you? Williams! Oh my God, where's my phone? Williams!
How long has this been going on?
Well, he has been having silent heart attack for a while now, and we've been trying to use drugs to manage it, but he hasn't been
And
responding.
you didn't think you should tell me? I'm his wife.
Mrs. Okafor, I told Mr. Okafor to speak to you about it, but he said he didn't want to bother you.
Bullshit! That's bullshit! You're the doctor. My husband is lying in that ward, not responding! You tell me... What are his chances?
It's not looking good. Man, just calm down. We'll do everything in our possible best to.
Sorry I put you in this state. I messed up. I made a mistake. I will do everything to fix us. I feel so ashamed. I need you to be tough and come out of this. Please. I can't survive this. Raymond! Raymond! Doctor! 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 I killed him! 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 I killed my husband! I gave up everything. Get out! Get out! Touch me. Get out! I could have stopped this earlier. Now he's dead. He's dead. I failed my husband. I failed my husband. I failed my husband. I failed my family. I failed my family. I failed my family. I failed my family. Don't touch me!
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Get out! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Touch me! God, help me, please. Oh God, help me. Oh God.
Move that body for me. I make you send nobody. How you put it on me? You go kill somebody. I just wonder if you give that body for me. Why can't she wonder? Your body give me something I need. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder, 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 wonder.